little chefs. Today, we are going to make something super fun and yummy funny face pancakes. And while we cook, we will learn some new English words. Are you ready? Let's go! Egg. 1 egg. Milk. 1 cup of milk. Flour. 1 cup of flour. Sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Crack the egg. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now, add the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Mix, mix, mix. Be careful. The pan is hot. Let's pour some batter. Wait, wait, and flip. Woohoo! Look at that golden pancake. Our pancakes are ready. Now, let's make funny faces. Eyes, blueberries or banana slices. Nose, strawberry or chocolate chip. Mouth, banana slice or chocolate chips. What kind of face will you make? A happy face? A silly face? Let's be creative. Yay! We did it! Our funny face pancakes are ready. Let's eat. Delicious. What is your favorite fruit? Can you name all the ingredients? Great job, little chefs. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.